Hello, happy Friday. I'm sorry I can't be there in person for Crazy Hair Day, but at least you can still see my awesome stylish hairdo here. So, first thing today is you should have passed in your Do Now already, and you have two papers on your desk. One is your review packet, and the other should be your homework from last night. So, the energy unit vocabulary review homework should be out. Please take the next 12 seconds to have that out and holding it up in the air so we can make sure every single person has their homework out and up in the air in 12, 11, holding it up, 10, 9, 8, 7, check your partner, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and on 1, everyone should have this out. Take the next 9 seconds to get a correcting pen out. Go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Correcting pens should be out. You have your homework. We are going to go over this to see how we did. So I'm going to go slow, but I'm only saying it once. Make sure that you are listening. For number 1, the correct answer is transparent. Number 1 is transparent. Number 2 is chemical energy. 2 is chemical energy. 3 is reflection. 3 is reflection. 4 is magnetic energy. 4 is magnetic energy. 5 is translucent. 5 is translucent. 6 is conduction. 6 is conduction. 7 is potential energy. 7 is potential energy. 8 is volume. 8 is volume. 9 is kinetic energy. 9 is kinetic energy. 10 is light energy. Number 10 is light energy. Number 11 is conservation of energy. Number 11 is conservation of energy. Number 12 is decibel. 12 is decibel. 13 is frequency. 13 is frequency. 14 is convection. 14 is convection. On the back now, 15 is wavelength. 15 is wavelength. 16 is absorption. 16 is absorption. 17 is radiation. 17 is radiation. 18 is pitch. 18 is pitch. 19 is refraction. 19 is refraction. 20 is opaque. 20 is opaque. 21 is thermal energy. 21 is thermal energy. 22 is amplitude. 22 is amplitude. 23 is electrical energy. 23 is electrical energy. And 24 is sound energy. 24 is sound energy. For this, count up the number you got correct and write that number out of 24 on the front. So the number you got correct over 24, write that on the front and circle it. Take 10 more seconds to count the number you got correct and write it over 24. Awesome. Now please hold up this paper nice and high. You're going to pass it in. Make sure you're putting it into the class bin in the back. So passing it in as professional and quickly and silently as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, nice neat pile. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All eyes back on me and my lovely beautiful hair at the board. Thank you. Okay, today, the purpose of today is to start reviewing for your test. Your Unit 5 test on energy is 1 week from today. Next Friday is your Unit 5 test. Your Unit 5 test is in 1 week. Your Unit 5 test is when, everyone? Let's do that again. Your Unit 5 test is when? 1 week. So that means we need to start studying, especially because you won't have homework to study for you while you have MCAS. So it's on you to make sure you prepare for this. So I can't assign you homework. For today, remember that what this unit covers is all listed in your tracker. So it's the different types of energy, conservation of energy, kinetic and potential energy, thermal energy, light energy, and sound energy. Those are all the types of energy that we covered this unit, and you have questions on all of them on your test 1 week from today. Today, I expect you to use this time as achieving, mindful, professional, and persevering scholars to complete this entire review packet. If you finish the review packet, you should start working on making vocabulary cards for this unit. There is a lot of vocabulary and not enough time to have that be a homework assignment. So you should start doing that in class today. One more thing before you get started. Also in 1 week, your science fair data is due. Not the board, nothing but a completed data table saying you did your experiment and this is what happened. So 1 week from today, on March 28th, you need to bring in a completed science fair data sheet. So whether it's in the packet, if you lost the packet, it's in a separate sheet of paper. I don't really care as long as you can prove to me come next Friday that you have done your experiment and you have collected your data. So this weekend is your last weekend to work on it before it's due. So your science fair data is due next Friday. This weekend, make sure that you are getting it done, that you are working on it. If you are done with it, I would start reviewing your vocabulary and studying for your Unit 5 test. I will see you all on Monday. Showing me diligent work. I would like to see everyone super prepared for their Unit 5 test with completed review packets. And let's show everyone in the room why 6th graders are the best and most professional scholars that work super hard 100% of the time. Work time starts now. Go. Your name's on the paper. You are already started writing in your answers. Super efficient in achieving. Already working on those first questions. Keep it up.